2005 Dodge Ram 1500 5.7 liter V8. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it wires into a single, then 3-inch pipe into a 3-inch to 2.5 Flow FX by FLOWMASTer muffler. Then a Y pipe, 2 1/4 all the way back into 4-inch by 18 angle cut tips. If you guys want any of this stuff, the tips or the muffler, which is the Flow FX, you can find the link in this description. So there and there, that's what it looks like. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. 2017 Dodge Ram 1500, or just Ram, no more Dodge. 5.7 liter HEMI. It had this. We did this dual job on it. Single in, dual out MagnaFlow about, I want to say 6 months ago. And it came in with a 3-inch right there, as you guys can see. Then the customer came in and he wants it true dualed. So that's what we done. Still got the factory converters there and there. Then we true dualed it 2.5 all the way back into his 2.5 tailpipes, as you guys can see, into 4-inch tips right there and right there, rolled edge. And you guys wanted no X pipe, nothing. There you go. So here's true duals all the way. Hope you guys like it. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Here's what it looks like out the back. Right there. 2006 Dodge Ram 1500 5.7 liter HEMI. All right. Yeah, boy. We got stock converters there and there. Then it's wired into a single, and we continued it with 2.5 all the way back into a THRUSH muffler, something different. Part number 17650. If you guys want it, you'll find the link in the description for this THRUSH muffler. Then a 2.5-inch tailpipe, and we reused his existing tip, MBRP. Can never say that. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Came out really nice, really pretty. Got a nice lift kit on it right there. There it is. Not bad at all. Sound decibels, go ahead. About 104, 105. Flow FX never disappoints. Scott Muffler, can you hold, please? That sounds really good. Let you guys hear on the inside. So before he said it was loud, but it was just a muffled sound. Now it's gonna be loud. You guys tell us in the comments what you guys think. Much better. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Beast mode. And it actually made the wax in my ears itch. Made my ear itch, is so loud. Oh man, it sounds real good. decibels. Go ahead. 97, 98. That's sound decibels, huh? Go ahead and back it up. And it gets a little bit louder about 30 days. It'll get even throatier. Thrush. That's what them thrush sound like. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Really good. Hemi, Hemi, Hemi. Oh, this helps the blood flow in my body. Love it. Let's do it 8. All right, bro. Bye.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that.